at our meatballs. Wow, looks so yummy. Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will cook pork meatballs or the bolabola using the air fryer. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, as you can see here, we have our 815 grams of ground pork meat, 2 eggs, five pieces of minced garlic, and then half cup of chopped red onions, and then half cup of breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Guys, this is just optional. If you don't like to put any milk on your meatballs mix, this is 1/4 cup of milk, evaporated milk. 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, black pepper, and then salt, and then stir and mix. For the salt, guys, it's just up to you to taste. So next, we'll form this into balls. Okay guys, after shaping them into balls, you can put this in the freezer for about 4 hours or overnight. But if you are too excited to cook right away, it is okay. Okay guys, before putting this into the air fryer, we're gonna spray this with the olive oil. Okay guys, we're now ready to cook our meatballs using our air fryer. With some space so it won't be crowded. I'm going to set our air fryer for 400° Fahrenheit. For about 8 minutes only. There you go.
A few inches later.
Ta-da! Look at our meatballs. Wow, looks so yummy. meatballs or the Bolabola using the air fryer. Yan, yummy! So now is the tasting time. So I have here sweet and sour sauce and mayo chop. So delicious. So yummy. Yummy, yummy. Very juicy, guys, promise. So as for our shout outs, I would like to shout out to Alvin Montesa, Mami Eder, Lady Don Castel, Cinderella, Onya Puhon, Seasons of Refreshing, B1 Channel TV. And to all our kababayans all over the world, my family in the Philippines, stay safe and strong. That's all for this video, guys. Bye for now. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye. Bolabola.